Hi, with this video I'm going to show you how you can use this app called Elevenlabs to create for example listening comprehension exercises, or just simply copy or write a test and listen how it is pronounced. The advantage of this app is that it allows you to download the audio. That's why I'm saying that you can use that to create a listening comprehension exercise, right? Okay, so let's begin. First of all, what we have to do is to go to our browser and click or write Elevenlabs, which is what I have here, right? So Elevenlabs, we go here, and that is what appears. So before signing up or logging in into this app, we have here a model test, and if we click on the play button, we can listen how this paragraph is pronounced.
In the ancient land of Eldoria.
Okay, it can be this test, or it can be any other test that we decide to write, and then it's allowed to download it. But if we want to work with a longer test, then we have to sign up. We have to create an account in this app. So I'm going to enter into my account, which I already have, and it is a free account, right? So let's enter, let's log in, and I'll show you how it works. Right, so here I am inside the app, okay? And on the left hand side, you can see that there are lots of activities, but we are going to explore just a couple of them, right? Okay, so for example, first of all, here you have voices, okay? And if you click on voices, you can explore the voices that you have. Here we have some, but you can explore and in the filters decide which one you want to use. The languages, as you can see, there's lots of languages, the accent, the quality, well, you have different possibilities, okay? So you can check the one you like. Now I'm going to go to this test to speech, because for example here, what I'm going to do is to write a test and then ask the app to read it aloud, and then I will be able to download it, okay? So I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT account, because there I have asked ChatGPT to create a scary story for Halloween for my B1 students, okay? So I'm going to go to ChatGPT, copy and paste it here. You will see that it is very easy. One thing that I didn't mention before is that you can create your own listening, your own test, or you can ask ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude, any of these chatbots that we have for us to create them, right? Okay, so this is the story, the haunted house. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Oops, sorry, I'm going to copy it. Okay, so copy, go to Elevenlabs, paste it, and generate speech. Okay, so it's taking some time, and then it's going to read it aloud.
Three friends, Lucas, Emma, and Sophia, decided to explore the old abandoned house on the hill. Everyone in the town said...
Okay, I stopped the video so that you didn't have to listen to all the story. So now it is here, and what we can do is to download this listening if I like it. What I didn't mention before is that I have selected Rachel, but if I didn't like Rachel, I could have selected any other person, okay? And I can click on here to preview, to pre-listen to that voice to see if I like it, okay? Good. So that's one of the possibilities. But imagine that you want to create a dialogue, okay? I'm not going to save that one. Now, in that case, we have to go to the studio, right? So we go to the studio and we can start from scratch, okay? You have different possibilities, and in this case I'm going to create a dialogue between a news presenter and an actress, okay, that goes there to promote her film. Again, I have created a dialogue with ChatGPT, and what I'm going to do right now is to copy paste it, okay? that is, as you can see here, that's the test. Okay, so I'm going to begin copying, right, the news presenter. So I have copied, but I'm not going to select Rachel. I'm going to select someone different. For example, Patrick. Okay, so Patrick is going to read that sentence. Then I'm going to add this sentence that Jane Smith mentioned, and in this case it's not going to be Patrick, but it's going to be, for example, Matilda, right? So this is going to be read by Patrick, but this sentence is going to be read by Matilda. Then I can continue with another sentence. Okay, right, this is Patrick, and now Jane Smith again. Okay, and in this case it's not Patrick, it's going to be Matilda, which is the same. Okay, good. So this that's the way I should have to continue. Then I click on read it aloud, so I will be able to listen.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be here.
Well, I have made a mistake. I have begun where I shouldn't, so I should begin here. Okay, so I went back here and I click on create, and it will begin reading and creating this dialogue. Okay, once it is finished, then I can again,
welcome to Entertainment Weekly. Tonight,
maybe
a very special guest. Please welcome Jane Smith, the star of the much anticipated new
okay,
film,
maybe I
My
don't
Life.
like this person, so I can select another one here, right? But that is the procedure. At the end, I will have a dialogue and I will be able to download it as I did before.
Thank you for joining us, Jane.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be here.
Let's jump right in. My Life has already been creating a lot of buzz.
So now it is finished, and if I don't like it, I can regenerate it and then I can do some other things. But the important thing is that then I can export it and I can have a dialogue for my listening comprehension exercise for my students. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, and it is a really good help to create oral activities for our students. So I hope you find this app interesting, and I invite you to investigate because it's a wonderful app. Bye-bye.